In this video, I'll guide you through how to split screen in LibreOffice, a useful feature that can boost your productivity by allowing you to view multiple sections of your document simultaneously. Whether you're editing a lengthy report or cross-referencing data, knowing how to effectively use the split screen option can save you time and effort. First, let's start by opening the LibreOffice app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official LibreOffice website and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, locate the LibreOffice icon on your desktop or use your system's search function to open the application. LibreOffice is a versatile suite, and today we're focusing on Writer, which is their word processing tool. After opening LibreOffice, click on Writer Document. This will open a new blank document where you can start typing or paste content that you need to work with. If you're working with an existing file, simply open it from your saved documents. Now, with your document open in Writer, you can proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll want to look towards the bottom right of the LibreOffice window. Here, you'll find a variety of useful buttons that help you navigate and view your document in different ways. Among these, you will see an icon labeled Multiple Page View. Clicking this icon is the key to splitting your screen effectively. This feature allows you to view multiple pages of your document side by side, which is particularly helpful when you want to compare different sections or make edits without having to scroll back and forth. Once you click on the Multiple Page View icon, the screen will automatically adjust to display two pages side by side. If your document contains more than 2 pages and you'd like to view more at once, simply resize the window or adjust your zoom settings to fit more pages on your screen. This flexibility is one of the reasons why LibreOffice is favored by many for its user-friendly approach to document editing. Now that you have your split screen set up, you can scroll through and edit each page independently. This feature is perfect for tasks like comparing revisions or referencing other parts of your document while writing. If you need to switch back to a single page view, simply click the icon again, and your document will return to the standard view. Remember, using the split screen feature can significantly enhance your workflow, especially when working on complex documents. It's a great way to compare information, proofread, or simply keep track of your thoughts across multiple pages. So take advantage of this feature to increase your productivity and make the most out of your time spent in LibreOffice. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to split screen in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to utilize this handy feature. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing